Using the Data Hive to measure global warming. In this experiment, we will be looking at how the Data Hive can be used to measure temperature changes in different conditions to model global warming. This experiment can be used in biology, chemistry, and geography. For this experiment, you will need your Data Hive, a clear container, a light source, white and black card, and a small candle. Place your Data Hive in a clear container. If you are using the portable mode, you will need to use the button on the top right to measure light intensity, which is a control variable, and the button on the top left to measure the temperature. The light source will provide heat for this investigation. First, measure the temperature using no card. This will act as your control. Here you can see that the temperature increases over time. You will need to run this experiment for at least 5 minutes to get accurate results. Live plotting of the data is available on the Data Hive website. Next, you need to wrap your Data Hive in white card and record the temperature change. Here you can see that the temperature decreases. You are then going to repeat this investigation using black card and record the temperature change. Here we can see from the live plotting that the temperature increases with the black card. You can also measure the impact of carbon dioxide on the temperature change and model the greenhouse effect. Add a small extinguished candle to your container and measure how the temperature changes. Again, you will need to leave this to run for at least 5 minutes to get accurate results. Here you can see that the temperature increases when carbon dioxide is added to the container.